Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be going over how to use ChatGPT on Android. So let's get started. There are two ways where you can use ChatGPT on Android. First, you can access ChatGPT on your browser. So just type chat.openai.com and log in with your account. After that, you can now use any prompt you want here, like just using the desktop or a laptop. Second one is, you can go to your Play Store and search on ChatGPT. Click on the second one that appears, or if you see this logo like this one, and click on Install. Wait for it to finish installing. Then, after it was installed, open the app and log in with your account. You can now use any prompt you like here on your phone without opening a browser. Just go to the app anytime you like it if you want to use it. That's what makes downloading ChatGPT on your phone, is that you can use it anytime and it is an easy access. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.